In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create smooth slow motion in CapCut using speed controls and optical flow. Whether you're polishing a cinematic moment or emphasizing action, this method will give you clean, professional-looking slowdowns without the choppy look that basic speed changes can cause. Start by opening your project so you're working in the timeline you want. Once your project is open, click on the video clip you want to slow down. Selecting the clip first is important because the speed tools and quality settings you're about to use apply to the highlighted clip. With the clip selected, look to the right side of the interface for the video settings panel. This is where CapCut groups most clip level controls. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry, CapCut updates sometimes shift labels around, but the controls you need will still be in the video properties area on the right. Inside that panel, click Speed. This opens CapCut's speed tools. Here you'll see two main options, normal and curve. Normal gives you a constant speed change across the entire clip, which is perfect for a steady, uniform, slow motion. Curve lets you create ramps, speeding up or slowing down at different moments. Great for dramatic emphasis or music syncs. Choose the one that matches your intention for the clip. Now reduce the speed. For gentle slow motion, try around 0.5x. For a more dramatic effect, you can go to 0.25x or even slower. Keep in mind, the slower you go, the more your footage relies on interpolation to stay smooth. If your original footage has a high frame rate, it will handle deeper slowdowns better. As you adjust, watch the preview to see how motion looks, especially on fast-moving subjects, edges, or fine details like hair and water. To keep your slow motion looking silky, enable frame interpolation. In CapCut, this may appear as optical flow, frame interpolation, or frame blending, depending on your version. Optical flow or frame interpolation attempts to synthesize new frames between real ones for smoother motion. Frame blending mixes neighboring frames for a softer result. If optical flow is available, start with that for the most natural movement. If you notice warping on complex motion, try the alternative option to see which looks cleaner for your clip. That's it. By opening your project, selecting your clip, using the speed controls, choosing normal or curve, dialing in a slower speed, and enabling optical flow or frame interpolation, you'll achieve slow motion that feels polished and professional.